Good morning, preps. Today we are going to be looking at our number 11 and all the different ways we can add up to 11. There's lots of different ways we can make the number 11. So we're going to be using our Numicon today, which you should have some paper cutouts of all our Numicon that we made you in your pack. So I'm using the real Numicon because I'm at school today making our video. And I'm going to be using a whiteboard, but I would like you to be writing this in your writing book with your grey lead. So up the top of your writing book with your grey lead, I'd like you to write the number 11, which is 2 ones like that. And I'm just going to put a little squiggly under mine so we know that that's the number 11 we're working on today. So with your Numicon today, I'd like you to find me the Numicon that shows us the shape of 10, the number 10. Okay, and it should be a blue one, dark blue one. And the way to check it is we're going to count our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is the number 10. This is the shape that represents our number 10 in Numicon. I'm going to put that down on my board. You put that down in front of you. But we're not making 10, we're making 11. So if we've got 10, we need one more to make 11. And I'm going to hold you up my shape. That's what your shape should look like. So we've got 10 and one more makes 11. Now we're going to practice writing that sum out. So we had our 10 shape plus, so that means when we're adding together, we're counting all together, and one more equals 11 all together. So our 10 and our one more is 11 all together. The next shape I want you to find is this shape. Okay, it's pink and it's got a little bit, our little jutting out bit, a little bit extra. Okay, and we're going to count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should have the shape in your hand that's pink and it's representing our number 7 in your hand. Now I'm going to put that just on top of our number from before. Okay, so see how that's our number from before, and I'm just placing this on top because this helps us to see what we might need next. So if I put this shape on, has that covered everything? No, I'm missing a piece. Let me have a look through my shapes. Got some out before. Oh, this one. Is that covered at all? Nope. So 7 plus 1 is... Oh, hang on a minute. What about this shape? Is that covering it all? It is, but there's one extra that we don't need. So let's see. It's a square shape. Can you find a squared shape? I've got one in green. I'm going to put it on top, and that fits perfectly. So now that we've got our two shapes, let us count. So our pink one, remember, was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can write that on my board. 7. Let's write that together. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way we make our 7. Plus, because we're adding it together, our next shape, which was 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 7 plus 4 can also make 11. So we've already come up with 2 different ways to make 11. I'm going to put those shapes back. I'm going to keep our 10 and 1 so that we can see our shape that 11 makes. So it's easy for us to see what our shape can make. Okay, I'm going to get a big dark green one this time. This is the last one we're going to do together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to place that on my numbers to cover that side. And now I'm looking for a shape that's got 2 and a little bit jutting out. Let me see. Is that going to fit over all of them? No. Is that going to fit over all of them? Nope, too many. What about this shape? It's got 2 and a piece jutting out. Let's see if that fits. Perfect. So let's count those together. So we knew our green one has 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to write now our 8 on our board. And 8. Oh, mine's a little bit squiggly. We'll try that one again. That's a bit better. 8 plus. Now our next one, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So this time 8 plus 3 equals 11. Well done. Okay, so preps, what I would like you to do is to now continue making as many different ways that you can with the number 11, using your Numicon and the shapes that it makes to help represent numbers to help you to make the number 11. Okay, so keep going in your writing book, and we can't wait to see how many different ways you can come up with the number 11.